Fix potential security issues. Did you get that email from Google? Did it stop you in your tracks or make you worry? Google can be very secure. As with most technology, it is actually as secure as you make it. Google has so many tools and ways to secure your Google account. You just have to use them. In this video, I'll review the fixes mentioned in that email and give you a few more easy tips to keep your Google account more secure. I'm Amy from Clutter, and I empower business owners with Google solutions, ensuring that you use your low-cost Google Workspace for maximum efficiency and business security. Comment below with your biggest security concern and stick around until the end for a bonus tip on security in the Chrome browser. If you got that email, it actually tells you exactly what to do to make your account more secure. Here are a few ways to take action right now, straight from that email. At the bottom of the email, it shows who is missing 2SV, or two-step verification. Those are the codes you get when you're trying to log in. Although they are sometimes frustrating, those codes make your account more secure. Step 1 is entering your username and strong password. Step 2 is getting the code on a separate device and entering it. This two-step verification ensures that the person logging in is really you. The only way this works is if you have already set up a recovery phone number and email address. This email from Google also lets you know if you are logged into an unsafe device or browser. One that is old or hasn't been logged out of and back into for a long time are more susceptible to hacking. At the top, this email mentions phishing emails. Google is also really good and continues to improve their email spam filtering so that you don't accidentally click on phishing emails that lead you to unsafe websites or unsafe requests for your personal information or logins. To make your account more secure than it is right now, click the Review and Take Action button at the top of that email, which will take you to the new Security Advisor section in your Google Workspace admin panel so that you can update all of your security settings. In your work and personal accounts, Google runs a security checkup regularly that you can view at Manage Your Google Account. And there you can also go to the security section to update your security preferences and account recovery information. Bonus tip about Chrome. Similar to all these other Google apps, Google Chrome Settings has a safety check and a number of privacy and security settings that you can review and update to increase security when using Chrome or Chrome Password Manager. To review, your Google account is only as safe as you make it. So go ahead and click that Review and Take Action button. And make it a habit to check the security settings on all of your accounts at least every 3 to 6 months. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Google tips. And share this video with someone else who would benefit from this information. I look forward to helping you succeed.